Hi, I'm Casey Hansen, and today I'm going to show you how to keep your control cabinet clean, organized, and safe. Look inside the control cabinet here. This is obviously a brand new one, but we're going to demonstrate kind of the installation process and making sure you keep debris, things out of here that shouldn't be in here. One of the big keys is, don't open it unless you have to, and make sure power's locked out, things like that. But the less you open this, the cleaner it's going to maintain. What you'll notice here on the cabinets that come in, they have a big, good thick seal here, help keep dust and debris, moisture, stuff like that out. We also have the ventilation fans and filters here. Those are something that you're going to want to check regularly. But when it comes to the actual installation of it and any type of modifications you do to the cabinet, make sure you're sealing everything up with like the rubber grommets on the bolts, and make sure that your wires coming through are protected and sealed. Anytime you're going to drill into the cabinet, make sure you're kind of blocking this area off on the whole top here. Keep all the metal shavings from collecting or falling into a contactor in these terminal blocks or VFDs or anything else. So you want to keep those metal shavings out. Another important thing is in my experience, I've seen a lot of people try to just blow air in there to get dust and things like that out. You definitely don't want to do that. You blow air in there, you're going to blow small little particles of things all through the electrical. And so it's important to vacuum it and not blow air to clean it out. That'll kind of help keep everything in order and working. But the biggest thing, don't open it unless you have to. Regular maintenance is obviously justified. But if you have a problem with your blast booth or something like that, and your first, response is just go open up the control cabinet, you're opening it up sometimes for no reason. And that's just inviting in that environment from inside the factory to kind of start to build up inside your cabinet itself. So if you guys have any questions about keeping your control cabinet clean, or you guys are having issues, on your sites with it, reach out to us. We'll be happy to help you, give you some tips.